Hello, and welcome back to Slime Rancher. Alright. How many of them do I have? I have 17. I do not need that many. Oh, I don't even have 17. I have 19. God. That should probably be enough. And now I shall punch you back into the wild. Let's go see who wants to trade. I'm kind of forcing myself to talk. Thor West, help me out here. I'll make sure you get what's owed. Oh, that's easy. Somewhat. Not gonna... can't do it for you. I looked on what I... gotta do for my farm. And I watched my videos. I think it was 9? Could have been 8. Oh, I have mail. Yeah, I need to go read that. No, it was 8. Shoot you into the unknown. Into the unknown. Into the unknown. Thor West. Hi there, Beatrix. Name's Thor West. I'll keep my introduction short on the account that we all got work to do. I'm a longtime rancher here on the Far Range, and when head of the welcome wagon for your local range exchange. Yeah, the range exchange. Blah 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 blah. Can't say that word correct. I don't know why. Is a network of rangers just like yourself who are looking to trade whatever they got for whatever their needs. Whatever they need. Excuse me. Slime, sports, food, whatever. All you need to do is check out the range exchange machine daily and be sure to get your trade completed within 24 hours. As more ranchers get added to your network, so you should receive a hearty hello from them. So check your inbox. Well, enough, John. We both got slimes to wrangle. Adios, Beatrix. Or, adios, Beatrix. Thor. Okay. Okay, so you want 8 hens and 2 stony chickens. Got it. I haven't touched this game since, like, I haven't touched this game since last time I played it, because I've been, like, doing the, like, what do I need to do? So, as you can see, I need to feed this guy again. Oh, and he's real close already. Oh, wow. So yeah, I need to feed those tabbies. Oh, son of a bitch. Bye! And I also noticed that I have a lot of meat eaters, but I don't feed them meat, but I have, like, so few, like, vegetable and meat, fruit eaters, that I just... No, I needed that one! That I just don't, I just have okay. Have food lying around. So get out of here. Yeah, so I need to feed you again as well. But I'll have that like done probably next video, hopefully, maybe, I don't know. I probably shouldn't say that because you're probably gonna hold me out on the promise. Oh, yeah, and the only reason why I'm watching my videos is like to be like, what do I need? So yeah, so I'm gonna have like less tabbies and booms, and like more stones, because that might be my favorite. I'm also not gonna like crossbreed. I don't. It's just not my thing. You need. All right, 5 more. That's right. And you guys are already hungry, damn it. Okay. Those carrots just magically spawn. Is there a foster? Wait, no, wait! Fuck! Go and... Hello, I'm not trying to grab slimes. Quit bouncing me everywhere. Give me your poop. No. God dang it. Out of my way. No! Just want 3. Oh, there we go. Let's do it away from everyone else. Oh, hey. But, oh. Well, you know what I should do? Whatever. Interesting predicament here. Oh, well, that solved it. Jeez, everything just runs to their death. I don't know if I'm gonna unlock the... Well, I should. I should probably stick to what I've done. For now. Alright, eat up. There we go. Oh, 18. Hot damn. Alright. Bam, bam, bam. Realize I got money in the bank and I'm not using the money. I'll feed you guys. You guys will have food. Just give me a second. Alright. So what do I need? I need... Oh, I can cross that one off, because I just did that. As you guys saw. And I can do that. Okay. What? How much is this? 425. Okay. So I didn't get this last time, but I will get it because I could not, like, escape that place, and I'm like, oh god. So 350. Let's get that first. 350. Oh, hey, oh. So glad. I'm glad. Did you just... Oh, god damn it. I need to be also on the lookout for chickens. Maybe it's not so easy as I thought because of the stone chickens. Oh, yeah. There it is. I like how they kind of have like a marbled metallic sound when they clang around. I don't know why. I just found that interesting and neat. Alright, come on. Horts, give me money. Your poop makes me money. So poop, damn it. I really need to upgrade my speed shings. Ow! What? Oh! Bye then! I'm sorry. What? Yep, that's all I get for limbs. There's two! Ow. Oh, hey, stones. I call them stone slugs. I don't know why. Everything get out of my way. But you're just a son of a bitch. What is that place? What is that place? So that... This area. I forget what it's called. Oh, there's 3. What? Boing. Boing. Actually, you know what? Screw it. Run, 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 run. It says me. Indigo Quarry. 909. Let's read this. Let's read this, go back to base, and then, yeah. I was always happiest when I was by my lonesome. Places like this old quarry really suited me. Nice and quiet and mostly empty. So I figured that that life on the far, far range would suit me. And well, wouldn't you know it, I come all this way, and the first person I see, well, she's changed how I saw things, I guess. Quiet wasn't good anymore. I liked her laugh. Aww, there's a love story happening. Alright, so... How... is this... How big is gonna be the DLC? And how big is this? Will you guys still be angry? Yes, you will. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Just hopping along. My carrot's done growing yet? Do I have enough? Well, okay, well, hold on. Let me see how much I do have. You have to find a little port. Get in there. 323. So no, I don't have enough. Ah! No! Stay! Come here! In! Stay in your pen. Ah! Tamales. Being in the pin probably privileges. You're being in the gun now. These are done. Okay, good. buying that jetpack. Jetpack. I don't care that I have $3 left. Blah, blah, blah. Hot tamales. Just one thing after another. Are you kidding me? No, I just... Are you fucking serious? I just fed you! Give your poop! So cute son of a bitches. I hate him, but I love him. Oh. How much is high walls? 350. Oh, wow. Ow. Oh wow, hey. They're the way to go. Alright, let's go just look more at the Indigo Quarry. Ah! Headphones slipped off! No, my nose is itchy. Everything going wrong. What is going wrong? I guess just because you're a pink phosphorus doesn't mean you can come out at daytime. Noted. Dash boots. Thank you. Let's go to the right. Boom slams. And more stones. Oh yeah, that's right, I have the jetpack. What's this? What? Hello? What? Okay. No! You damn slimes! I don't know how to unlock the treasure box. God, I just looked 1 second, and all of a sudden, you sons of bitches, just eat my thing. Ooh. Duh, I'm gonna miss the treasure pod is unlocked. Oh, hey! Yeah, I don't know how to unlock those treasure pods. Smooth move. Oh, this is all into a quarry. Got it. Not onion. Get everyone away from me. I'm guessing it's a vegetable, so go feed it to the... I'll go feed it to this big man. Oh, hey, I called it. It's an onion. It had onion in the name, and onions are vegetables. The hell was I thinking for downing it? What is this? I don't know. Give me carrots. Oka-okas. Which are oka-okas? Oh! They're a mix of spud. Out of my... Ow! Oh, that's radiation slimes over there, so I'm not going to. What? It's just a pink slime with... What? That's adorable! He's got his own little techno funk going on over there. Whoa, crystal slimes. Oh, lap slime. No, poop slimes. I once came here to collect crystals for a little project of mine. Was trapped here for nearly 2 days when those curious crystal slimes came rolling my way and started firing off those dangerous shards. I thought I was gonna kick the bucket. The crystals were for a wind chime. I bet Thora still has it. Aww. Has it on her porch. Worth it. Heartbeat. Oh, that does that. Yep, it does. Okay. Let's just rave by this dude. Woo! Tar! My God. My house. Not today! Get out of my house! Stop reproducing! And you can still faintly hear him. I love it. Yeah, so let's go feed the Okas to him and then leave. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with the ornaments. Ow! Ow! Better not die here. I have some sturdy ankles and knees. Well, we didn't get everything. Uh-oh, it's nighttime. That tells me it's nighttime. Oh gosh. Wait. What? Okay. Ha-ha! I got him before any of you bitches got him! I used that word a lot in this video, haven't I? I got. Oh. Yep. You want a puddle? I can get you that. It's actually best if I just have 4. And then 5, I'll do that later. Oh! It's lovely. Hey, you get a special dessert. Where are the other 2? You just left your friend starving. Your friends are starving. How dare you? Give me a second. I will feed you. I'm also gonna change that my rule of like. Yes, give me your. Did I suck it up? I'll see it around me. I might release this boom slime. Alright. Since you lot like to jump around a lot, I'll purchase that. Lower that number. Throw you back. Yeah, you know what? Throw you in there as well, since you eat meat as well. And yeah. Oh. Collect all of these. Gonna go dispense the money. Aha! That's what that is. Okay. That's what I knew that one. Kind of slow. Maybe. Oh, you wanted the slimes, not the points. I'm a dumbass. Wait, why is this no go in? Hi B, bought a cactus. Oh yeah. Let me. We've read that before. Should also look about the fiddle. Well, I'm gonna wrap it up here, folks. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please leave a like. I know we didn't do everything. I know we did like 2 new things, and like we got 1, 2, 3 things. Oh, 4. 5 things done that I need to do for my last video. But yeah, so that's right. I looked to where a poster is, and it's not there, so it's super weird. The poster just fell down. The tape's not sticky anymore, or it's not as sticky as it should be. But yeah. Anyway, besides from that, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe. Along with Slime Rancher, I have played League of Legends, Roller Riot, Minecraft, Skill Attack. Haven't said that one in a while. And Omari, whatever it is. So yeah. But with that, I will see you guys in the next issue. See ya!